Wow. There's really no turning back now, so.
Absolutely fucking not.
Good ass room with a $400 hood.
Alright.
So, this is the part of the video where you stop watching if you don't like RX-7 parts getting destroyed. If you do, you continue. What's up, kids? Welcome to an actual RX-7 video now, since I don't know why. Please comment below why, but do y'all just hate any other video except RX-7 videos? Like, I think the Coming series is pretty cool, but no one wants to watch the Coming series. I'm still gonna edit the rest of it, but I just want to know, like, why y'all don't like the Coming series, or why you guys only like RX-7 videos. So, drop a comment. Actually, let me know, because that would help me greatly and save me time filming stuff you guys don't want to see and then filming more stuff you do. So, just please tell me. Now, on to today's video. We have paper, we have an engine bay, and we have a pretty good Turbo 2 hood. What are we going to do to this Turbo 2 hood? We're going to cut it. A lot. We're making an extraction vent for the rad to get air in and out and over the car pretty easily. So we got this fine piece of automotive engineering off the car. Now we've already done this before, but we're gonna recut, kind of rebuild what we did. This stuff got wet, it's gross, so we're just gonna do it a little bit better. All right, kids, we have a paper duct that we just cut out of a bunch of this poster paper used in elementary school for your projects. Bent some flanges on it, taped it all together. Well, that fell over. We'll go throw it in the car and see where we're at. Yeah, and I don't know how we're gonna do the top piece yet.
Yeah, because the whole thing doesn't need to line up like with the hood.
That was just gonna be kind of an afterthought. Like once the hood's cut and everything.
Yeah. Just look at that. And we cut that short so it looks kind of awkward, but
We're gonna have to cut these and in short. Cause see down there? Like our gap and stuff?
well, that's just because we cut that already. It's like we could just not cut the metal that short, and it'll meet up fine.
Okay. So.
But if that clears everything in the back, then we don't have to cut that to 4 inches. We miss 5 inches. How's that look to you?
Looks good.
It's off the sway bar.
The charge piping's gonna be fun.
We can tuck it in more if you want, just for the sake of doing that.
I'm not, because my hope is still charge piping through the back, which it's not a big pipe, so I'm hoping we can make it happen.
But this is the point where any kind of minor stuff you want to do, like if you want to take this angle a little bit sharper to avoid the filler neck. Where do you want the back of it to end? Like right about here?
I kind of like where it's at right now.
Okay.
But we're gonna want to we gotta think of servicing. So, although I'm sure this thing wouldn't be hard for us to just pop out with how we're gonna make it.
Once it's metal, it might be kind of because as of now, it's kind of awkward to get down in there. So once it's metal, that might make it a little bit more difficult.
So we got to think about this filler neck, because we got to get to that. We'll have to think about charge pipes too. So we could always just cut it shorter. Well, no, it needs to be up this high because it needs to go to the hood.
Yeah.
So
we might just want to make this angle here a tiny bit more sharp.
Yeah.
And that'll help it clear it.
Let's do that. All right, so we cut an inch off our front pieces, made our angle steeper back here. We clear our filler neck, we clear the pulleys. We got some space to throw some charge piping back here if we so choose to throw charge piping back here. Yeah, I think we're good. Now we gotta cut this fucking hood, that's just gonna be an adventure.
I keep forgetting about that.
Yeah, we are about to be at the point of no turning back.
And we gotta do.
Yeah, we got to figure that out too. So next step is we really need to cut this somehow so we can put the hood on to even see where the fuck the hood is.
Yeah.
So that's problem 2. I mean, we can always cut it and then add more pieces on top of it.
Yeah, that's true. We could fold it over like that, stick the hood on, and then just mush it up.
I like that plan.
And basically fold it up against the hood.
Yeah.
Until it gets like the right angles and shit, and just go from there.
Because we'll be able to see a little bit through here with the vent off. So this is the part of the video where you stop watching if you don't like RX-7 parts getting destroyed. If you do, you continue. We're going to cut the inner skin out for this scoop, and that's how we're just going to start.
Big gap between that and that.
I'm wondering if we just come down and then like over, try to run like this line maybe. Like,
yeah.
cut so nicely. There we go.
It's like 4 colors right there.
Lots of colors. Ooh, that's something. I guess we just kind of. I guess we could bring it in, or we should probably just leave it for now.
Yeah, we'll figure that out later. Make sure there's no sharp edges later.
Yeah, so we'll flip it over and then cut the top. Wow. There's really no turning back now.
Absolutely fucking not.
So. Good ass room with a $400 hood.
Alright.
Rad. Alright, let's flip this. We have our first hole cut. And see the red. We have a duct. I think it looks pretty rad, honestly. The internet's not gonna like it. So, what do... Yeah, we gotta cut all that next. I guess how far back now?
It's good we left this little room there, because that's pretty much right where the duct is lining up with this. Okay. If we would have cut all the way out here, we might have cut too far.
I think I fucked up that cut down there, so... See that nick?
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we put a vent over that, though, we can hide it. Especially if we just take aluminum and like bend it over.
Yeah. No, this is nice. I'm a fan. I'll tell them what we're doing.
Right now, so we have the rough idea of where the vent, or where the hood is in relation to the vent. So we need to position the vent perfectly and have the hood cut perfectly, so where the paper comes above it. But right now it's just really awkward cutting the paper, essentially. I feel like I'm not explaining this very well. But it's really hard to figure out where exactly the paper needs to lie along these lines. So we're just kind of cutting and refitting and cutting and refitting the hood and stuff.
So Harrison is taping up this duct. We have a new idea. It's basically, what is the new idea?
Alright, so right now we're really struggling to fit the duct to the shape of like the curvature of the hood because we can't get under there and do it properly. So we're just going to cut off all of this excess that's giving us trouble, and then we're going to make a piece that fits like roughly this width or that length, and then make sure that fits the curvature of the hood,
and then we're just gonna stick this in and just yop all that extra stuff off, and then stick that piece while the hood is on up against the hood and up against this piece. Tape those two together, so then we take the hood off, and then it's exactly where it needs to be, basically.
Perfect. While Harrison's doing that, I will talk to you guys. Now, a couple questions here. I posted on Facebook already, just a couple pictures of this. The internet got mad, asked why I didn't use an aluminum NA hood. I asked you guys like 6 times in many Facebook groups for NA hoods, and everybody basically is like, oh, I got one in Connecticut, or I got one in Maine or something. I got one in Wisconsin or Cali. I'm like, I'm not paying to ship my hood and then pay to ship your hood over here. I just don't care. So that's the first thing. 2, someone wanted a trade, but they wanted all my arrow catch latches. Those arrow catch latches cost more than an NA hood. I'm not going to do that, because then I got to go buy all new arrow catch latches for a hood when I already had arrow catch latches. So reason 2 why we're using the turbo hood. 3, I really just don't care. It's our hood, my hood. I've had it on the car ever since I got it, so why not use it? It's not costing me anything to use it, and ultimately it just pisses the internet off, and it's pretty enjoyable and funny when that happens, because everybody gets on their high horse and complains about how whatever gets ruined or whatnot. I'm like, have you guys seen my car? Kind of already ruined. So there's that. But yeah, that's our TED Talk on why we're using a Turbo 2 hood. So the new plan has made our lives easier. We now have a loose fitting vent in here, and we just gotta make sides. Fucking genius. Man.
It's a lot better than spending an hour or 5 hours just trimming and messing with this and cutting and trimming and cutting.
Yeah, it really is.
So now we just have to stick this where we want it, basically. Take a Sharpie along the backside, cut it out, and tape it to that, and then we make a new piece.
You have the Sharpie, right?
Just shit taped together.
Oh, that's mint. That's our plan, boys.
Easy.
All right. Do the other side. Get some coffee. Good news, boys and girls. Harrison's been hard at work. And we have duct V2. Way better than V1, I'd like to add.
She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling, I don't have none. Dollar bills, one time. She said I hate my...
And we got a big ass hole in the roof. So we'll break it down. This side is good, a little wonky, because as you guys know, the Turbo 2 hood scoop is offset, and if we had it cut originally where we wanted, it was this line, went up, we had this awkward dip down where we still had part of the scoop on the hood, and it was basically being able to bridge this gap really hard. So we cut about another, I don't know, ½ inch out and then ran it up. So our duct is relatively smooth now, works well. We just have to bend this piece out, and then our back piece is going to be kind of cut a little wider at the top. We have that. Our fan sits in there nicely. We're going to have to figure out a top piece to kind of make a little negative pressure zone, but we can do that with metal. So this is roughly our duct. Kind of our idea that we're going to have is to make this edge look cleaner and nice is just get some sheet aluminum, run little edges, and then bend it at 90s to kind of basically just make the top look nice.
This only looks wonky because it's like 9 pieces all taped together very loosely.
That's true.
So once it's cut properly, there will be a straight piece that goes all the way back to this piece, and this piece will just, like you said, extend further.
You know we're like off down here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because we're off at the bottom. We're off. All right, cool.
That's why it's kind of wonky.
We hacked up a Turbo 2 hood. We have a duct. Here's our Turbo 2 hood trash bin. That's it for this video. We have to wait till Monday. It's Friday. We gotta wait till Monday to go buy metal from metal supermarkets. So this project is done for now. But drop a comment, let me know what you guys think of the vent. Let me know if I hurt your feelings for cutting up the Turbo 2 hood. And sorry to the car parts. Sorry to the rotary community for hurting your feelings. But our hood, we needed it to do something. We made it do something. That's it for this video. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think of the design, the cut, the vent thing. Just let us know your thoughts, and we'll see you guys next time to actually make this hood, or this scoop. So, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. That's about it. Bye, kids.
She said I hate my day job, I don't feel it, I need race car, top down to match my ceiling, I don't have